Alright.
Today's episode is sponsored by
Raid Shadow Legend. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's Vinci Media, back with another video, of course. My shorts have been doing a little bit better. Subscribers, I don't know if I'm gonna have 300 by the time this is uploaded or not, but thank you for getting me there. You know, I know we're gonna hit a big milestone soon for my channel. So as you guys see, I did do my LED kit. I finally did the LED kit. My bike was down for at least 2 days, so I couldn't ride it and go make a video. So I posted a short on Monday to take care of that, and it did extremely well. So
technically, since my plate's not a Texas plate, they can't pull me over for invalid registration.
ah,
So I'm chilling. So I got with that other plate. Those are so fucking nice. Ugly ass fucking wheel and an ugly ass fucking Jeep. It's a fucking sport. They got light brackets. They probably got a single pod, maybe. God. What about Jeeps daily? This is a fucking disgrace to the Jeep community. Damn it, right here.
what?
You gotta say Merry Christmas to me.
Oh yeah! I almost forgot, everyone. You know, it's almost Christmas. It's almost Christmas. By the time you're watching this, it's one day before Christmas. This video is going up on Christmas Eve. But anyways, happy holidays, guys. Hopefully you guys are gonna have a great one with your family, which you probably are. Of course, it's the holidays. You know, you can't ever go wrong with the holidays.
Look at that bitch. Get the fuck off our ass. How it is. God. Fucking bitch. Dude. Fucking great. Yeah! Oh, I did it! Yeah, I'm gonna put down, but I still want to fall over. That real came up, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you'll see in the video. Yeah, guys, so I'm still working on the mic thing. I just haven't bought one. You know, I've been a lot busy with work and then just riding with, I mean, in my free time, just riding with Aaron, you know, not recording, but, you know, we're out riding, so, you know, can't blame us, you know, it's so fun. Definitely, probably gonna order another lavalier mic, probably another Purple Panda, you know, like stick it to the JBL speaker so then you can hear them finally, maybe. We'll see how that fucking works. I love the power on the R3 at the fucking 4th gear. So nice.
Headlights.
Flash them. Motherfucker. Okay.
Okay, you drive about your lifetime. That's cool.
Doing the cheat.
There you go. Put it in gear if you shut it off.
Yep.
This is a shitty street.
Huh? Oh.
Lambo. Lambo.
Damn. Damn. That sucks. Before the ride, I forgot my Insta360, the little the magic stick was on. So whenever I swung my leg over, because I got done filming the like TikTok and stuff, and basically I took off the Insta360, I put it in my backpack, and whenever I went to go ride today, I swung my leg over and I just penetrated my whole calf into it, and now I just got a big bruise mark on my leg now. It freaking hurts. It sucks. Hey! Hey! Hello! Hello! Oh shit. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Me and Aaron just had a nice short ride together like we always do. I usually don't record any of these, but I did get the LED lights on, so I wanted to see how it looked like on camera too. So yeah, not much, and I'll see you guys on the next ride, which is probably gonna be Monday's video. Hopefully I don't miss Monday's video and have to post a short. So that's what I'm gonna do now is basically, if I ever have to miss a video, I'm gonna be posting shorts now, because if you don't put because I have a TikTok and I also have my Instagram, and if you don't follow it, you should follow them. It's gonna be at Vinci Media, just same username as the YouTube one. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting there more. I'm gonna definitely be posting on YouTube a lot more. Thank you for 296 subscribers. We're so close to 300, and I hope you by the time I see you guys next time, we'll be at 300. So yeah, it's been Vinci Media, and I'm out. Peace out.